Inflation is a serious concern for retirees, especially those looking to preserve their wealth and maintain their lifestyle in retirement. But here's the thing, most people don't realize that with the right strategies, you can not only protect your wealth, but even grow it, even in an inflationary economy. And today I'm going to show you the smartest ways to invest in these conditions from someone who's helped thousands of retirees navigate these tricky waters. Now, before we dive in, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, click the first link in the description for a free guide that shows why thousands of Americans are opening gold IRAs to safeguard their savings. You don't want to miss this, especially if you've got more than 100K in an IRA or 401k, or even $5 in savings. Let's get right into it. One of the best moves you can make during inflation is to focus on assets that retain their value, even when everything else is being eroded by inflation. That's where gold IRAs come in. Historically, gold has been one of the best hedges against inflation. Why? Because it's a tangible asset, unlike paper money, and has proven to hold its value over time. While stocks and bonds might struggle to keep up, gold has a strong track record of increasing in value during inflationary periods. And you don't have to worry about the volatility of the stock market. Gold has a unique ability to stay stable when things get shaky. Now, that's not to say there aren't other options out there. Real estate can be a good choice too, especially if you're looking for rental income. But remember, property values can dip, and maintaining real estate takes time, energy, and money. Plus, if the economy takes a turn for the worse, you could find yourself sitting on an asset that's worth less than what you paid. In contrast, gold IRAs are self-directed, and you can control your own investment without worrying about things like property maintenance, tenants, or interest rates. When you invest in a gold IRA, you're investing in a form of wealth that doesn't rely on the ups and downs of the market. That's why so many retirees are making the switch to gold IRAs right now. Another option people often consider during inflation is bonds. But here's the issue. Inflation erodes the real value of bond returns. So, while bonds may seem like a safer choice, they don't perform nearly as well during inflationary times as gold does. And if you're relying on bonds for retirement income, you could find yourself outpaced by rising prices. Gold, on the other hand, can increase in value over time, providing you with an inflation-proof solution to safeguard your retirement. Diversifying is always a smart move, but as a retiree, you want a strategy that's not only safe but also practical. That's where gold IRAs really shine. Unlike other assets that require constant monitoring and adjustment, gold IRAs are relatively hands-off, which is exactly what you need when you're looking for long-term stability in retirement. Plus, you can work with a custodian to help manage the IRA for you, making it as easy as possible. I know this sounds like a lot to take in, but the reality is, if you're looking to truly protect your wealth during an inflationary economy, there's nothing quite like a gold IRA. And if you're sitting on 100K or more in an IRA or 401k, or even $5 in savings, a gold IRA could be the smartest investment move you'll make. To help you get started, grab your free guide from the link in the description. It's an easy way to learn why so many retirees are turning to gold IRAs to protect their savings. Remember, this is not just a reaction to inflation. This is a strategy that works over the long haul. So if you want to protect your retirement, ensure your wealth grows, and secure your future, start exploring gold IRAs today. The time to act is now, and it could be the most important decision you make for your future. So click that link, and I'll see you inside the guide.